Hi, this is Michael. I'm from Gadget Therapy, and today we're doing a unboxing of a 15-watt magnetic wireless car charger. It's not the same as a MagSafe charger, but if you want to know further about what a MagSafe charger is, there's a link above, so click on that. So today we're just going to open this up and then show you what's inside. So this is the item here. So it's from the feels of it, it's quite strong, quite aluminium-y. It's got a USB-C connector right here, and then a LED indicator right here as well. So as soon as you plug in the cable and you plug into the car charger, this should show up a red color. Okay, and then on the end here you've got a car vent that just gets screwed onto this magnetic wireless car charger. The car vent can be put into any vehicle with a vent system. Okay, so we're just gonna test it out now using a power bank. This is the cable that comes with the magnetic wireless car charger. It seems to be like a meter long. So we're just gonna connect this up. So as you can see, it goes into a red LED light on there. So this is the iPhone 12, the latest model iPhone has produced. So it just clicks on like that. So it's charging now, you see. So as soon as it's charging, the little LED in the bottom turns off, but just around the C port, it goes into a blue color to say it's charging. Okay, we've tested this out, and in different conditions it's fine, and the magnet is pretty much okay. In our test for the charging, the charger charged an iPhone 12 from 0 to 50% in 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Hi, I'm Sushant from Gadget Therapy, and this is Michael.
So please like and subscribe if you love our content, and check out our other videos.